गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। कंटिन्यू करते हैं हमारा टॉपिक इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस। आज हम पढ़ेंगे आईएमएफ यानी इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड। इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड आईएमएफ इज अ सेकंड इंटरनेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन after the World Bank. It was the establishment in 1945 on the basis of recommendation of the Bretton Woods Conference. It started its function from 1st March 1947. Its headquarters is located at Washington DC. In 2005, it had 191 country has its founder member. India has a pride to be a founder member of this prestigious world body. तो इंटरनेशनल इंडिया भी इसका क्या है, इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस का एक मेंबर है। और इसकी स्थापना कब हुई थी हमारी 1945 में। और इसके जो फंक्शन स्टार्ट हुए थे वो कब से स्टार्ट हुआ था, ये 1 मार्च 1947। द इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड लीड करते हैं। द मेजर आइडिया अंडरलाइंग द सेटिंग अप ऑफ द IMF इज टू इन्वॉल्व इन ऑर्डिनरी इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी सिस्टम, facilitating system of the international measurement and adjustment in exchange rate among नेशनल करेंसी। ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है इसके, तो प्रमोट इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी ऑपरेशन थ्रू ए परमानेंट इंस्टीट्यूशन टू फैसिलिटेट एक्सपेंशन ऑफ बैलेंस्ड ग्रोथ ऑफ इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड एंड contribute promotion and maintenance of high level of employment, to promote exchange stability with a view to maintain orderly exchange arrangements among member countries, to assist in the establishment of the multilateral system of the payment in respect of current transaction between the members। अब इसके फंक्शन क्या हैं, एक्टिंग एज शॉर्ट टर्म क्रेडिट इंस्टीट्यूशन। शॉर्ट टर्म क्रेडिट इंस्टीट्यूशन है हमारे लिए। प्रोवाइडिंग मशीनरी फॉर द ऑर्डिनरी एडजस्टमेंट ऑफ एक्सचेंज रेट्स, एक्टिंग एज ए reservoir for the currency of all the member countries, acting as the leading institution of the foreign currency and current transaction, determining the value of current country currency and altering it, and providing machinery for the international consultation। वर्ल्ड ट्रेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। वर्ल्ड ट्रेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन यानी one of the key achievement of GATT negotiation was the decision to set up the permanent institution for looking after the promotion of free and fair trade against nation। The GATT was transformed into World Bank Organization, World Trade Organization with effect from 1st January 1955. Headquarters of WTO are situated at the Geneva, Switzerland. It's govern trade not only in goods but also in service and intellectual property rights। WTO is a permanent organization created by an international treaty ratified by the governments and legislatures of the member states. Moreover, a member-driven rule-based organization in the sense that all the decisions are taken by the member governments on the basis of a general consequences। इंडिया एज ए फाउंडिंग मेंबर ऑफ WTO। इंडिया भी एक फाउंडर मेंबर है हमारे WTO के, ठीक है। और इसका हेड क्वार्टर कहाँ है, हमारा जिनेवा में है, स्विट्जरलैंड में, ठीक है। इसके ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या हैं, तो ऑब्जेक्टिव से पहले तो ये वर्ल्ड ट्रेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज द आउटकम ऑफ a jury of round of the negotiation with latest over a period of 7 years from 1886 to 1994। Previously it was known as GATT, मतलब General Agreement for Traffics and Trade, and was transferred into WTO with effect from 1st January 1995। तो ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है इसके, टू इंश्योर रिडक्शन ऑफ ट्रैफिक्स एंड अदर ट्रेड barriers imposed by the different country, to engage in such objectives which improve the standard of living, create employment, increase income and effective demand, and facilitate higher production and trade, to facilitate the optimal use of the world's resources for sustainable development, to promote in aggregated more viable and durable trading system। फंक्शन क्या है, इनकरेज इट्स मेंबर कंट्री टू कम फॉरवर्ड टू WTO इन mitigating their governance, laying down in commonly accepted code of conduct with a view to reducing terror worries, including the traffic and eliminating discriminations in international trade relations, acting as a dispute settlement body, ensuring that all rules regulations prescribed in the act are duly followed, holding constitution to bring better understanding and cooperation in global economic policy making, super supervising on a regular basis of the operation of the revised agreement and ministerial declaration relating to goods, service and trade related intellectual property rights TRIPS. Benefits क्या है? Help promote international peace and facilitate international business. All disputes between the member nation are settled with mutual consultation. Rules make international trade and relations very smooth and predictable. Free trade improve the living standard of the people by increasing the income level. Free trade provides ample scope of getting varieties of qualitative product. Economic growth has been fascinating because of free trade. The system encourages goods in government. WTO helps fostering growth of developing country. ये था हमारा सारा का सारा WTO के बारे में। WTO का क्या काम था? पहले उसका गेट नाम था, वो गेट क्यों पड़ा इसका, तो वो इससे इफेक्ट हुई, फिर उसका नाम क्या पड़ा गया हमारा WTO। कब से? 1 जनवरी 1995। आई होप आपको ये सब क्लियर हुआ होगा WHO। थैंक यू एंड हैप्पी स्टडी।